In this video, you'll learn how to create a beautiful travel payouts white label website using WordPress. This process involves several steps that will guide you through setting up your site effectively. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Look for the option labeled Sites at the top of the page. Once you click on it, you will be directed to a dashboard where you can manage your sites. Next, locate and click on the button that says Create with AI. This option will initiate the artificial intelligence site building process, allowing you to create a website tailored to your needs. After that, you will see a prompt to select Laying the Foundations. Click on this option to proceed. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for your new website. Once this appears, you may need to wait for the AI to load. A loading indicator might be visible during this time. It's important to be patient as the AI is preparing the necessary elements for your website. When the loading is complete, a message will prompt you to make a website as unique as you. This is your cue to begin customizing your site according to your preferences. Ensure you take note of this message before proceeding. Next, type in the phrase, create a beautiful travel payout white label website into the provided text box. This specific input is critical as it defines the focus of your website. After entering the text, click on the Enter button to confirm your input. This action will take you to the next stage of the site creation process. You will then see a message indicating that WordPress.com can create a beautiful travel payout white label website. This confirmation means you are on the right track. Following this, type in the choice given above in the designated area. This step is part of the customization process, allowing the AI to understand your specific requirements. Once you have inputted your choice, click on Enter again to proceed. This will lead you to the next prompt in the setup process. You will be presented with a message asking what your website should be called. This title will be displayed in the Browser tab, so choose a name that reflects your brand or service. Type in the name you have chosen for your site in the provided field. This is a crucial step as it will help identify your website to visitors. After entering the name, click on Enter once more. This confirms your site title and continues the setup process. Next, you will see a message asking for a short tagline or description. This should summarize what your website offers to potential visitors. Type in an appropriate tagline that captures the essence of your site. This description will appear in search results and social previews, making it an important element. Click on Enter again to submit your tagline. This step confirms your input and prepares the site for the next phase of development. Now, locate and click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action will initiate the final stages of your website creation process. You will see a prompt that says, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that your website is being generated and you may need to wait for a few moments. During this time, it is important to be patient as the AI processes your request. A loading screen may appear indicating that the system is working on your site. Wait for the AI to generate your website. The duration of this process can vary depending on server load and your internet speed. Ensure that your connection is stable during this time. Finally, you may receive a message indicating that this might take a while. This is a normal part of the process and it signifies that the AI is actively working on your new website